What does your typical lazy Sunday look like? Let me show you mine. Like any particular weekend, we wake up slowly with tiny paws stealing our attention. That's our precious Fluffy. She loves to eat, I tell you. But I'm the same. I'm not scared of our lazy Sundays. It's a fun, easy day. See, we all have a great time in life. But then again, we do have some real accidents. And I have to say, accidents. Introducing the all-new Ultenic All Clean, where you enjoy life, and Ultenic All Clean cleanifies your home. With its 4 specifically crafted modes, you can take control of your wet and dry at the same time. Max mode, sterilization mode, suction mode, smart mode. With smart mode selected, the sharp machine automatically chooses the right suction power, perfect for those tight side edges. Plus, with its smart floor sensor, it sprays water to the degree of dirt. It just gets 2 jobs done at once. There's 2 tanks, one of clean water and the other for absorbed dirt. Let's put this battery on charge and get it back to life. With Ultenic All Clean, its self-cleaning roller and brush air drying saves you a lot of time, so you can spend it with the one you love. Yeah, even with Fluffy. This definitely needs max mode to handle all this beautiful artwork created by our little family. See? It was fun. With the Ultenic All Clean, now I can do what I love.